And thank you. Thank you, Mr. Hardcastle, for your support to my channel. These are from last year. And I did plant Texas weed seeds in here. This here is from last year. I recognize it. Lobelia, I think it is, doing fine. I'm not sure, but I think this here might be the Texas weed. We'll find out when it blooms. I'm not sure what this is, if this is a Texas weed or just a weed around here. Let's see, I got a little bloom started there. Red hot pokers are pretty much done, but we keep having new ones popping up. Those poppies are all done and in seed right now. Have to dry out and turn brown. Kind of like this one here is starting to turn brown. It's a little one. It's one of the first ones that popped up. Well, today Roy's up there taking out the vent by the looks of it. He's going to try to get that tar papered. It is misting right now, so how much gets done today, who knows. But we do need this rain, but this mist, it's just bothersome. So anyway.
We ain't doing nothing, it's starting to rain.
Oh, you hear that? It's coffee break time. We decided to take that fan out of there. Oops. And this being a little bit difficult.
No more left! More left!
Then we got the clowns across the street that are telling us how to do this.
That's right, you know.
Yep, we got the fan pulled out of there. Now we're going to start tar papering. By the way, that fan, sorry about the clicking, is actually solar paneled, and it had a temperature switch that would turn it on when the roof or attic got too hot. And right there's a solar panel, just a small one. We got a stranger here. Who is it?
I just guy walking down the street.
Well, thanks for your help. Who's this?
Me.
Who's me?
Kevin.
Kevin? Well, hello, Kevin.
Uh-oh. Dad's out wandering. There's the mail. He's got the mail. Look, Lamp Andy's grabbing the mail. Who is that on the mower? Who is that? Who is that?
Kevin.
Mommy, who's on the mower over there? Grandpa.
You need the other one, Roy? No $10,000 yet.
I've been digging down there.
He had me go through all that pipe. I think there's
saw
fucking
just
pain in
burn
the
up.
ass. What?
I think your saw just burned up. You hear it?
No.
Oh, maybe it's.
I don't see spark. Get it again.
Sounds like a cow.
Now I can smell it.
You gotta find another one at Goodwill.
What's that?
Saw.
No, we find those at the garage sale. They're the good ones.
We got one over at my house.
Dad's always got one at his house.
It's just like Willie and David. They would break my shovels. I said, "Oh, now you can dig easier." Dad says, "I got one at my house." Ow!
There's an insurance claim.
I can't help it. I'm a plumber.